Hey guys, Lamarck LP here with another unboxing video. As y'all know, I've got the Apple Watch Ultra and I just got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes. I got the color black because I really wanted a new color, but they didn't really give me nothing that I really wanted to get. So let's get into it. These boxes is really thin, especially now with no charger, no headphones. I've been buying iPhones for a long time. This is the phone, and they used to come with the charger, charging brick, headphones. The box used to be like this thick. It's over with. That's it. Phone. That's one sticker. That's it. Then we used to get two back in the day.
I think so.
eSIM.
Wait, start now. You gotta edit that. Go now.
Alright, so we got the charger, cord, that's it. Charger cord, USB-C. Luckily, I've been an iPhone person, so I got the USB-C, fast chargers and everything. I do like the black. It's been a minute since I had a black phone, and I like how dark it is. This boy real fire. Let's turn it on and see that dynamic island is no longer a notch. First boot up. Look at the notch. Alright, well, I'll come back to y'all after I set it up. Peace. Hey guys, it's Lamarck LP here with another unboxing video. This time, I'm coming with the Apple Watch Ultra titanium case with the green alpine loop. So I'm excited to open it and see. Look at the interior case. We got the watch itself. I'm gonna save this for last. What else does it come with? It comes with a nice little booklet talking about the other types of straps. The button, quick start guide, and other paperwork. Got the green alpine strip in a medium. And I believe that the old Apple Watch bands also work with the new Ultra. Watch strap open now. The green alpine loop. I really like the titanium little hook right here. And now for the piece of resistance. The Apple Watch Ultra. Here go the charging cable. And this is a real nice charging cable too. Is weaved. USB-C, of course. Here you go, the Apple Watch Ultra. It is a very thick boy, but it doesn't feel too heavy. So if you gotta wear it for a long time, I think it'll still be all right. The titanium case and the raised titanium, so that way you have less of a chance of breaking the screen itself. 49 millimeters titanium ceramic case with cellular GPS And super dive, I believe it can go up to 130,000 feet underwater. So the action button. So I'm very happy, and I like the new crown. You can already tell it's thicker, and you'll be able to manipulate it with gloves on. So here goes the new Apple Watch. Peace. Stay tuned for more.